Hello friends, in this video I'm going to discuss how to convert a TensorFlow model into a TFLite file. I would highly recommend using Python API instead of Bazel, as it's simple and moreover you'll be training using the Python version of TensorFlow, so it's super easy to convert your saved model into a TFLite. So let's get started. You need these three requirements in order to convert your saved model into a TFLite file. The very first thing is you need a TensorFlow frozen model, which would be in .pb protocol buffer file. I've discussed in detail how to convert your saved model into a frozen model in my previous video. Just in case you don't know how to convert this, kindly have a look at my previous video. Secondly, you need to know the names of the input and the output node. So let's proceed to the code now. Let's go through the code now. Import the TensorFlow package and define where the frozen model lies. This is the path to the frozen model, and define the input and the output nodes, the same names that you have used in your model during training. And inside our TensorFlow package there is a helper function to convert a frozen model to a TFLite file, so we are going to use that particular helper function. So this is the entire path to the helper function. So from frozen graph, inside the Toko converter, inside the contrib file is the helper function that we are going to use. So this helper function takes in three arguments: graph definition, the path to the graph definition file, the input arrays and the output arrays. Okay, so I have defined it above, and then the next step is to take this particular helper function and then convert it to a TFLite model. That's it.